Guangzhou Xumin Packaging Products Company Limited is located in Huadu District, Guangzhou. Plastic, glass, and acrylic material bottles and jars is our main product line. The airless function bottle could be offered too. The factory for big quantity order with high productivity. Sales department helps you find the right product within shortest time. After placing order, our packing department will charge to get the right quantity and packing the best way before delivery. Quality department will do 2 times random inspection quality checking before shipment to ensure the bottle in best looking and function. When goods ready to ship, we will send it to our longtime cooperation shipping company to deliver safety to your door. The factory area is around 13,600 square meters, 129 workers around for all production step. Only first-time material be used. Single-op bags will be used after quality checking for packing plastic bottle to down low the scratch during shipping. Also, custom service is supported. Silk printing, offset printing, hot stamping with small MOQ, and open the new mold is also allowed. Our main clients is from USA, Europe, and Vietnam. Lots of clients is happy with our quality and stock service. We cooperate for long-time basic on trust, fair and common benefit business relationship. Find us if you are looking for the supplier with long-time stock with middle high quality standard packing product of cosmetic.